If you are tired of dealing with your dry and dull skin, then this can definitely be your go-to face mask. As you know now, almonds are rich in vitamin E, and regular application of these magic nuts can nourish and soften your skin and provide you with a natural glow. Today in this video, I will share how to make DIY face pack for glass skin. You will need 1 teaspoon of almond paste. Almond has a lot of essential fatty acids, with 2 main ones in the spotlight: oleic acid and linoleic acid. Oleic acid, also called omega-9 fatty acid, is famous for its ability to nourish and hydrate the skin. Oleic acid creates a protective shield on the skin's surface. Add ½ teaspoon of boiled rice paste. Rice is rich in amino acids, antioxidants, and minerals, which may reduce or slow down the skin aging process. It could also inhibit the activity of elastase, an enzyme responsible for skin aging. Thus, rice water could help maintain skin elasticity and can reduce the appearance of aging signs on the skin. Add aloe vera gel to make a paste. Mix these ingredients until to get smooth paste. Apply all over your face and neck, leave it for 15 minutes, and then rinse it off with plain water.